Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's been a month since I uploaded a video. Anyways, like Paige says, I am back. I'll be doing an unboxing video today. It's Glamego subscription box. Actually, it's their anniversary box, March edition. I know, I am late. Now, let's get started. The packaging is too pretty. Actually, I opted a 1 month subscription of rupees 399. There are other options too. Check out the description box below to find the link. Card gives you the list of products in this box. This box contains 5 full-sized and deluxe size beauty products.